Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to calculate this expression 3 plus 3 divided by 3 and then times 3 plus 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. According to PEMDAS, we first do parentheses. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 3 divided by 3, then times 6. Here we have this addition, this division, and this multiplication. Remember that multiplication and division have higher priority than addition. And also multiplication and division have equal priority, and we work from left to right. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1, then times 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. So 3 plus 6 gives us 9. Therefore, our final answer to this problem is 9.